Her sneeze is adorable, but it's getting out of control. In one night, she sneezed 139 times, 140 times. I decided to borrow my neighbor's air purifier. And that night, her sneezing completely stopped, but she still woke up with a runny nose. Why? She said she might be allergic to my dog Bella. So I decided to keep her outside.